To install the Intellij IDEA tar.gz file on a Chromebook running Linux, please follow these instructions. 1. Enable Linux Beta first. Ensure that Linux Beta is activated on your Chromebook. Navigate to Settings Advanced Developer and enable Linux Beta. If it is not already set up, follow the prompts to establish your Linux environment. 2. Download Intellij IDEA. Open the Chrome browser and go to the Intellij IDEA download page. Choose the tar.gz file for either the Community or Ultimate Edition based on your requirements. Save this file in your Linux files directory. 3. Extract the tar.gz file. Launch the Linux terminal and change to the directory where you saved the tar.gz file. Use the tar command to extract the file's contents. tar exefidic-star.tar.gz. Be sure to replace idic-star.tar.gz with the actual name of the file you downloaded. 4. Install dependencies. To ensure Intellij IDEA functions correctly, you will need to install specific dependencies. Use your package manager for this purpose. For instance, on Ubuntu-based systems, you can execute sudo apt-get install libncursus 5 libncursus 05 libsubprocess 32-0. 5. Run Intellij IDEA. After installing the necessary dependencies, navigate to the bin directory within the extracted folder and execute the idea.sh script. cd idic*bin/idea.sh. This action will start Intellij IDEA and assist you through the initial setup. 6. Create a desktop entry. For convenient access to Intellij IDEA from your Chromebook launcher, you can create a desktop entry. Open the terminal and run sudo nano/local/share/applications/intellij.desktop. Insert the following content into the file. Desktop entry. Name equals Intellij IDEA. Exec equals /path/to/idic-*bin/idea.sh. Icon equals /path/to/idic-*bin/idea.png. Terminal equals false. Type equals application. Categories equals development, ID. Make sure to replace /path/to/idic- with the actual path to your Intellij IDEA directory. 7. Access Intellij IDEA. Save the desktop entry file and exit the editor. You should now be able to launch Intellij IDEA directly from your Chromebook launcher. Enjoy your coding experience with Intellij IDEA on your Chromebook.